cable X. Cable X is a process by which we use hydraulic pressure and a proprietary fluid to extract the core of your legacy cables to be able to convert them to fiber. I'm going to show you how we do that. This should only take a couple of minutes. Technically, this process is the same as prepping a cable normally. We use industry standard tools like this coax stripper. And some other tools that you've seen around your shop. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ring this cable with this tubing cutter, just enough to score it so that I can twist the end of the cable off. And I'll explain why we're going to twist the end of the cable off instead of using the coring tool in just a minute. So that's been scored. Now I'm going to take a pair of 9-inch clines, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grip the end of the cable, and I'm going to twist the dielectric and the piece of jacket that I've scored enough so that I can create a ring inside the cable. That's going to get the fluid started and make the process go a lot faster. If we were to not do that, it might take the fluid a minute or two to get in there, and it could very well get stuck. So the best thing to do is just do it that way. So now that that cable's been prepped, tighten it. We've connectorized the cable using a standard Gilbert fitting, a bushing that's proprietary to cable X, and a hydraulic quick connector. The cable's basically completely prepared at this point, and we are going to now zip tie it to the vertical inside the pedestal, just to give it a little bit of strength. The end of the cables, the end of our hose is a little bit heavy, so we want to prop that up as much as we can for safety. So we're connected. We use a flow meter. This is a flow meter. We use that to tell whether or not fluid's going into the cable and to count how much fluid we put in. With that, the other end of the cable's been prepped and we're ready to extract this end. So I'm going to introduce the fluid to the cable slowly, let it get started, and while you pan over to the other shot, it should be just about done. And there it is. That's it. Really simple. Now what we're going to do is prep for cleaning. The way we do that is pretty simple. We're going to take off our connectors. clean fitting, which will dump all the fluid into a bucket. So as to make as little mess as possible. What I'm going to use to blow the fluid out is actually a little foam projectile used for cleaning hydraulic piping. It's an again, another industry standard tool. It's not something we invented, it already existed. We just found a more fun way to use it. With that, I'm ready to start blowing my plugs in. I'll blow through 3 or 4. In this case, we'll blow through a couple extra just to be sure. And what we'll do is we'll grab onto it, blow a little air in. Another shot in there. And let's just make sure it's really, really clean. That's it. So now we're ready to remove our cleaning tools here. And now we're ready to blow a piece of fiber in there. And this is the same connector. I can actually just reconnect this. About that connector in a minute. Just reconnect this right on the end. Tighten this up. Okay, and we're ready to blow our fiber. For this process, make sure I'm pointing this right. Okay, so I'm ready to blow my fiber in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a little bit of air, and I'm going to blow in my fiber. And that's it. We've converted a piece of fiber for a street crossing in a 10-minute video, no cuts.